Which cities received the heaviest snowfall during Sunday's blizzard? Rice Lake, Wisconsin topped the snowfall chart with 9 inches, while Burnsville, Minnesota followed closely with 7 inches. The powerful blizzard that rolled through the upper Midwest on Sunday dumped snow and ice across Minnesota, prompting a statewide no-travel advisory, especially in the southwestern region. By Monday morning, the advisory remained in force, and the Minnesota State Patrol confirmed hundreds of vehicles either crashed or slid off the road as conditions deteriorated. Officials tracked the snow totals early Monday at 6 a.m. and confirmed that Rice Lake, just over the Wisconsin border, recorded the highest accumulation at 9 inches. In Minnesota, Burnsville led the pack with 7 inches, Otsego came in third with 6.5 inches, and the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport logged 5.8 inches, causing significant flight delays and cancellations. The northern part of the state saw lighter accumulations. 2 harbors reported about an inch of snow, and International Falls saw roughly 1.1 inches. Despite the lower totals up north, the storm's impact was felt statewide, from icy roadways to delayed travel and a surge in crash reports. Residents are urged to stay informed about road conditions and heed any travel advisories as crews continue to clear snow and treat icy surfaces. Overall, the blizzard highlighted the region's vulnerability to winter storms, underscoring the importance of preparedness, timely communication from state agencies, and community cooperation during extreme weather events.